Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your PS4 and restore all the factory defaults if you're selling or giving away your PlayStation, or just if you have it's totally bugged up and you just want to get a fresh start. This will set it back to the way when it came out of the box. And it's pretty easy to do. All you need to do is you're going to start up your PlayStation and go to the settings. And from settings, you're going to come down to the bottom to initialization. And then from initialization, you're going to go to initialize your PS4. And then from there, it's going to ask you whether you want to do a quick one or a full one. So the quick one will delete everything. The full one will actually overwrite everything. It takes several hours because it's actually overwriting all of the data, which is more secure because then the data cannot be restored. So if you just want it to be, cleared out to give it away to somebody, you can just do a quick one. If you're worried about your data, you can go ahead and do a full one. Once that happens, it'll take you to this. You just choose what you want to do. It'll take you to this confirmation screen saying that everything's going to be deleted, etc. You hit initialize, and then you allow it to go through its process. Again, if you do the quick one, it's faster. If you do the full one, it takes a couple hours. And then you make sure you do not disconnect it from power or anything like that while it's going on. So you got to leave it on and connect it to power for the whole time. And then you can start up your PS4 as it was when it came out of the box.